Good morning. It's another day on the weekends. We are going for another hike. It's a coastal hike this time. It's a 13K hike, a bit different than the mountainy part that you saw maybe in my early videos. So let's explore it together. After my coffee though. I really enjoy this first forest part, especially those crazy long and skinny trees. It's beautiful. Let me show you this beautiful tree right there. I would definitely recommend some good hiking boots for this trail, especially in the rainy season, as it's really slippery and I feel like I'm going to fall on my bottom any second now. How to not get your boots wet. Yes. Okay. So apparently, looking at the map, we're still a few kilometers away from the coast, but I kind of imagine hearing an ocean sound already. Wishful thinking. So I wasn't wrong about the ocean sound. It's getting louder and louder as we are approaching it. What I was wrong about, however, is I seem to have missed the official trail somehow. It looks like I am walking a parallel trail to the official one. So I'm trying to join back onto the official trail. A few extra kilometers, but it's always worth it. So the shortcut is a bit of an adventure. Ooh. Ow, ow. Let's go. Okay, we made it out back to the official trail now. Yes, 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 we made it to the coast. So the hiking trail takes you through this tiny coastal town. So if you wanted to go to the ocean, you would just take this tiny little road, I guess, next to the football field. And you would end up at the ocean. Okay, I just tried to follow the trail on Komoot, but this seems to be a disaster. We are stuck here in the jungle. But hey, there's always the good side, and it's this view right here. Nice. Okay, so we are back on the road. So if you're looking for a coastal place to live at, there seems to be one for sale here. Okay, finally! We're back. Nice trails again. Okay, the 1 kilometer on the main road was all worth it, I guess. So walking all day yesterday doesn't really help me in going up that last big hill. So I was wrong about the last steep part up. There's one more. But you know what motivates me? Is being back at the camper and having lunch. I'm not gonna lie to you, I think I am lost again. Wow. Really showing off my navigational skills today. Okay, I recognize this part now. We are almost back at the camper. Hooray! Okay, some final words. The hike was awesome, let's be honest. I got lost too many times, it's a bit embarrassing, but hey, still enjoyed it. And I'm super glad to be back at the camper now. So let's make some lunch, so excited. Yeah, van life can be very glamorous sometimes, you know? And sometimes it's just eating out of a pan. I think I've got one tired puppy right there. I am tired just as much, I think, but I really enjoyed this hike today and I hope you did just as much. I really enjoy this time in nature so much. It gives me so much joy and fills up all my batteries, and I hope, yeah, it inspires you to go out in nature, to do some lovely hikes, be outside, fill up your batteries. See you next time. Bye.